From steps to visual logic, you've defined your steps. You've broken them into inputs and outputs. Now it's time to draw the map, so anyone, including an AI system, can follow it instantly. A flowchart turns written logic into visual logic. Instead of reading paragraphs, you see the process, you see decisions, you see paths, and clarity increases immediately. If you can draw it, you can explain it. If you can explain it, you can automate it. The core elements of any flowchart. Every flowchart starts with just 3 core elements. First, action. This is a step where something happens. For example, send invoice actions are usually represented by rectangles. Second, decision. This is where a condition is checked. For example, is payment received? Decisions are typically diamonds and create branching paths. Third, flow arrows. These show direction, they connect actions and decisions in logical order. That's it. With just actions, decisions, and arrows, you can map almost any business process. Simple shapes, powerful logic. Building a simple process map. Let's map a basic example. Handling a payment. Start with an action. Get order. Next, a decision. Is payment received? If yes, give send confirmation. If no, give send reminder. Each path leads to a clear action. No confusion. No ambiguity. Just structured logic. When drawing your first maps, start with pen and paper. Keep it simple. Once the logic is clear, you can move to digital tools like Miro, Lucidchart, or Whimsical. The tool doesn't matter, the clarity does. Why flowcharts matter in automation? Flowcharts are not just drawings. They are communication tools. Clients understand you faster, teams align quicker, and automation tools like N8N mirror this exact visual logic. Most modern workflow builders are essentially interactive flowcharts. When you learn to think visually once, you can apply that thinking across tools, industries, and projects. Imagine presenting a process visually to a client. They look at it and say, "That's exactly what we do. We've just never seen it drawn like this." A good flowchart can save 20 emails. It makes you look professional and it makes everyone else feel clear. Key takeaway. The core elements of a flowchart are simple. Actions, decisions, and arrows. Even basic charts can capture full operational logic. Flowcharts are the universal language of process design. When you can see the process, you can improve it. And when you can improve it, you can automate it.